Reduce wear on seat bolsters with Clearview PowerBoards. Having trouble getting in and out of your car without damaging the seat bolsters in the process? Raising your four-wheel drive can make it harder getting in and out of the vehicle without sliding across the seats. For those of us who often wear jeans or have buttons on our back pockets, this can damage the seats. With Clearview PowerBoards, it's as easy as one step up. To get in, simply step onto the powerboard with one foot, which will help avoid sliding or scuffing the bolster. Lift into the seat, grabbing the handle for leverage, and try not to lower until past the bolster. By doing this, the bolster is barely touched. Getting out, do the same thing, just in reverse. You may touch the bolster a little, but it's significantly less than if you didn't have the powerboards installed. At the end of the day, damaging seat bolsters can come down to factors such as your entry and exit technique, how often you're entering and exiting the vehicle, clothing abrasiveness, and your height and weight. Whilst the seat cover can help protect the leather, the actual foam can still be damaged if you aren't more careful when getting in and out of the vehicle. Clearview PowerBoards, smart side steps that respect your journey.